Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to remove description from your WhatsApp account. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is that you open your browser. I prefer Google, you can use any you want. You are going to search for CopyMagic Text Multi-Care, and this first link you see, you need to click on that. If you scroll down, it will show you a pop-up of copy text. You need to copy that. Then you are going to open WhatsApp application on your phone. The three dots on top, right-click on that and go to Settings. On top, click on Profile and remove your current description. Paste what you copied from the website and paste here. You will see a small dot. Ignore that and save. As you can see, now you have no description on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.